I need to tell you a crazy story that happened last week. I was sitting in a coffee shop with a friend, nothing serious, just chatting, and out of nowhere, he tells me, "Bro, I keep running into the same problem with the founders I work with. Someone needs to build XYZ. Nobody has solved it. I'm not going to say the idea publicly. It's actually good." Now, my friend knows nothing about AI, automations, vibe coding, any of that. But he does understand the problem better than anyone. So we start brainstorming. He tells me the pain points. I sketch out how AI could handle it. We talk workflows, data, automation, the whole thing. And then he looks at me like, "So, how long would something like this take to build? A week? A month?" I said, "No, I'll build you a full prototype tomorrow." He thought I was joking. But here's the part that blew his mind. AI is the only reason that was even possible. Because without AI, this idea required coding, UI work, logic, data structures, automations, testing, literally a full team. Instead, I spent maybe 4 hours, built the UI, created the automations, added the AI logic, packaged it into a working prototype, generated documentation, created a QR code so he could demo it instantly. I sent it to him the next day. He shows it to one of his founder friends. The guy loves it. Now we're literally discussing building the full version and shipping it to the first customer. Let me repeat that. A random coffee shop idea became a real product with a real buyer in 24 hours, without even building the app yet. 10 years ago, impossible. Even 2 years ago, you'd need a team. You'd need capital. You'd need months. Today, you just need to understand AI, automation, and vibe coding, and think in system. That's it. Because once you understand how the pieces connect, LLMs, workflows, vibe coding, API, agents, and system thinking, your brain stops seeing obstacles and starts seeing opportunities. Ideas stop dying in your notes app. You build them the same day. You test them the next day. You pitch them the day after. And suddenly possibilities open up that you didn't even know existed. This is what happens when you stop just chatting with AI and actually learn to build with AI. If you want that ability, the skill to turn an idea into something real in 24 hours, that's exactly what I teach inside the community. Learn the foundations, learn the automations, learn the vibe coding, learn the AI agents. Then every idea becomes something you can actually ship. Link in bio.